Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to clear cookies in Windows 11 so you can fix browsing issues and improve your privacy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. This is where most cookies are stored while browsing the web. Step 2. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. This menu gives you access to all browser settings and tools. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, hover over History, then click History again. You can also press Ctrl and H on your keyboard to open it instantly. Step 4. On the left side of the History page, click on Clear Browsing Data. This opens the options for deleting stored browser information. Step 5. A pop-up window will appear. Check the box labeled Cookies and Other Site Data. This ensures that saved website cookies will be removed. Step 6. Choose a time range from the drop-down menu. You can select last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or all time if you want to remove everything. Step 7. Click the Delete Data button. Chrome will now delete the selected cookies from your Windows 11 system. You've successfully cleared cookies in Windows 11 using Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tutorials.